It's me, Manny from the Hidden Jungle. Today I'm going to show you my two watermelons that I'm growing in 3-gallon pots. I have these two watermelons. They're called Black Diamond watermelon that I bought from rareseeds.com from Baker Creek. So I have this watermelon in trellises. These are bamboo trellises that I inserted here, and as you can see here, I have one watermelon growing. I started this from May 4 of this year, and it's now 2 months old or more, and I have sorry, one watermelon on this pot and another two small watermelons on the same vine, on this vine, and the second pot contains one bigger watermelon. These are watermelons that I hand pollinated probably 7 to 8 days ago. So you can see the watermelons are growing very fast. So you can see the leaves are very healthy and big. Sometimes I get leaf miners, like this one is a leaf miner. So I just pinch the end of that and you kill the leaf miner on there. So sometimes the old leaves cannot maintain the leaf miner damage, so it goes yellow. So when it goes yellow, you just need to remove it. Here's another fruit that got pollinated. I put it in Ziploc bag so that the insects or whatever creature doesn't get in and take a bite of the watermelon. So this watermelon is not growing that much because this plant is supplying most of its water to this fruit. So what watermelons do is it grows one fruit at a time. So once it has a pollinated flower, it grows one fruit, and then it leaves the rest of the fruits this big. It doesn't grow this fruit. But once you harvest this, the water is going to be diverted to those small fruits over there, and it will keep on making flowers and producing small fruits. It depends on the actual plant itself. Sometimes it can supply more water to more fruits, so it will make several fruits on the same vine, maybe on watermelons that grow on the ground where it has plenty of water to supply the fruits to. So this is my watermelon, 2 months old. It's producing two bigger fruits right now, and it has several small fruits